All right, guys, we're back again. We're here at Rocket Park going over the month of July's prizes. We're gonna have 8 total. We got some shoes, shirts, decks, a launch here, sunglasses. So let's get into it. First prize here is two New Balance shirts and a New Balance sweatshirt, all size medium, and a pair of New Balance shoes. Those are the 288s. Next prize for the month is going to be a skateboard from Element, size 8.2, and a pair of DC shoes. Next prize of the month, guys, is a skateboard deck from Element, size 8125. It's a Donnie Barley Pro Model deck, and 2 Element shirts, both size large. Next prize of the month, guys, is 2 pairs of New Balance shoes. First one is a New Balance 210 sample size. The other pair is a 212, also sample size. All right, guys, the next prize of the month is 2 phone accessories from the company accessory. First piece is a portable projector, or a personal projector, and the other prize is a portable power bank. Next prize of the month, again, 2 pairs of shoes from New Balance. First pair is a New Balance 60s. The other pair is a pair of 508s. All right, guys, next prize is from New Balance, 2 pairs of shoes. The first pair is the 210 in sample size. The next pair is the 22 in sample size. Last prize of the month is a folding lawn chair from Vans and a pair of Oakley frog skins. So guys, we have a bonus prize, essentially grand prize. Everybody who didn't win through the months is going to be entered into win one of these 2 decks signed by Andrew Reynolds, Baker decks. One of